By now, you've probably heard the story about a company that resurrected the dire wolf from extinction. It's been all over the news the past few days, and after digging into it a little deeper, it seems like it's basically fake news. Let's break the story down. On April 7th, Colossal Biosciences, a Dallas-based biotech company, claimed to have resurrected the extinct dire wolf, which vanished around 12,500 years ago using gene editing technology. They announced the birth of 3 wolf pups, Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, created by editing the DNA of gray wolves, the dire wolf's closest living relative, to make them larger and give them white fur. The process involved analyzing ancient DNA from fossils, including a 13,000-year-old tooth and a 72,000-year-old skull, and making 20 edits across 14 genes in gray wolf cells, which were then implanted into surrogate domestic dogs. For reference, dire wolves have about 19,000 genes, and only 20 edits were made in the genes of the gray wolf. Colossal hailed this as the world's first de-extinction, but many scientists criticized the claim, arguing that the pups are not true dire wolves, but genetically modified gray wolves with some dire wolf-like features. Experts pointed out that dire wolves diverged from gray wolves millions of years ago, and the edits, focused on traits like coat color and body size, do not fully recreate the extinct species. Jacqueline Gill, a paleocologist, was quoted by Scientific American calling the pups a designer dog and a genetically modified gray wolf. She argued that the edits, which focused on superficial traits like fur color and body size, do not constitute a dire wolf, and that the science is being overshadowed by hype. Vincent Lynch, a professor of biological scientists at the University at Buffalo, told NPR that the claim is all very misleading. He stated, "It is not a dire wolf, it is a gray wolf clone with some mutations that make it superficially resemble a dire wolf." Colossal has admitted that they aim to produce functional copies rather than exact replicas. My question to you is, do you think the media did a bad job of handling this story? And also, do you want a dire wolf or genetically modified gray wolf? Probably not a good idea to keep one as a pet. Don't forget to follow for more unbiased news.